Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy, with millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Since we encourage you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Because of the high voltage and high current used by microwave ovens, be aware that repairing this appliance poses a substantial risk for injury or death if precautions are not taken. We recommend that only experienced professionals access and replace the inverter board. You should always shut off the power supply to the microwave oven before you attempt any disassembly. To reach the inverter board, you will need to remove the appliance from the cabinet. Open the oven door and remove any racks from the oven, along with the turntable and support. Now use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the two screws, securing the mounting flanges to the cabinet. Remove the washers as well, if still intact. Now have an assistant help you to pull the appliance out of the cabinet and set it on a sturdy surface. Be aware that if the conduit cable is not long enough to move the microwave oven, you will need to disconnect the power and grounding wires and remove the conduit cable from the junction box. Use the Phillips head screwdriver or a 1/4-inch nut driver to unthread the 4 screws securing the top access panel. Lift the panel up, then slide forward to remove. Use a small flathead screwdriver to depress the retaining tabs to help detach the inverter board vent cover. You'll need to unthread the screw to release the thin metal retainer to fully remove the cover. Note the orientation of the wires connected to the inverter board, then disconnect them. You'll need to use a T10 Torx bit to unthread the screw from the nut to release the grounding wire. Install the new inverter board by first securing the grounding wire to the board with the screw and nut. Align the board on the mounting pins and connect the wires to the appropriate terminals. Be sure to secure the loose wires in the notch on the plastic base. Reposition the vent cover and snap it into position. Insert the retainer through the rear panel and thread the screw to hold it in place. Replace the top access panel by inserting the rear edge first. Secure it with the screws. Return the microwave oven to the cabinet and push it into position. Insert the washers into the holes in the flanges. Then thread the 2 screws to secure the flanges to the cabinet. Replace the support and align the turntable on the coupling. With the repair completed, turn the power supply back on, and the microwave oven should be ready for use. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.